Hi, and welcome to the second demonstration video for KeySheet, a keyboard-enhanced wiresheet view for the Niagara AX Workbench application. The first video we went over the view switcher, which is a quick way to navigate between different views on a component. In this video, we'll be going over the quick palette. The quick palette is the first feature in KeySheet that is specific to the view itself. So for instance, here you see the standard wiresheet. The standard wiresheet does not offer the quick palette view. So let's use the view switcher to go to the KeySheet view, which is number 3. Now you'll notice that not much changed. It looks identical because KeySheet builds on top of the standard wiresheet view. The only differences is you see the icon over here change with the name. There's also an additional menu option up here. If you wish, you can invoke the quick palette using this menu option. However, we have an accelerator set up to invoke the same dialog. As you can see here is Control P. So, in the quick sheet view, let's invoke the quick palette dialog. The quick palette dialog is designed to give you the ability to add components from the palette without having to navigate through the different modules manually. So, let's say for example I wanted to add, and let's move this down just so we can see them added. Let's say I wanted to add a loop point. Well, I know it's in the kit control module, so I can just start typing here. And as I type, I am filtering out the list of what's available. I see kit control as the second option, so I can come down here with the arrow keys and hit the enter. Now, the second that I do that, the second part of the quick palette is loaded with the contents of that module. However, it is not in the traditional tree structure. So I can hit the tab key, and you'll notice now this text box has focus, and I can search inside of this palette. If I'm looking for that loop point, I just start typing loop. As soon as I find it, I hit the enter key. And as you can see, it was added to our station, or to our component. Now let's say I want to go back and I need a folder. I can hit Shift and Tab to jump back to the text box and start typing again. I know the folder is in the Baja module, so let's start typing Baja. And you'll notice that as soon as you have either the exact name of a module or only one option in the module, the component on the right side automatically fills. So if I kept typing, for example, to go back to kit control, K-I-T-C, kit control is the only option here. So it is automatically loaded. Let's go back to Baja and add that folder. Now I can use the arrow keys to navigate up and down to add as many folders as I want. Well, let's say, oops, I need to go back and add a numeric writable point. So let's go back to kit control, numeric writable, second one down here, and I can add that. And I'll move this out of the way to show you. You can hit the escape key to make the dialog go away. But this is a rather quick way to add components to your wiresheet view. And that is a quick overview of the quick palette. Thank you.